Education and training are crucial for retaining and engaging employees in every operation. But when it comes to implementation, it's often left behind. Questions pile up. How do we do it differently this time? How do we get everyone together? Who will run the sessions? What topics should we cover? The list goes on. Before you know it, training is an afterthought. Instead, a pizza party and awards for years of service seem like the easiest option. Enter the Academy of Cleaning Excellence with custom-designed 4-hour remote training for all your locations via live streaming. That's right. All you have to do is send out the reminders for the test session and the link to the live feed. Join in the chat while the Academy does the heavy lifting. Professional education with live demonstrations on the topics you want covered, without having to lift a finger. Well, maybe just a few to type out the reminders, but that's all. Certified education and live classes are what the Academy of Cleaning Excellence is all about. From onboarding classes to master trainers workshops, there is an option ready for you, right at your fingertips. Whether you need live remote, in-person skills training, or a customized LMS for your entire staff, the Academy has you covered. Contact us today for more information at education@academyofcleaning.com or 888-999-6059. Join hundreds of other and elevate your team skills today.